Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. Last day of the month. It is July 31st. We've got the grains actually setting back a little bit right now. Corn down 2 cents. You got beans down 2.5. Wheat down 1.75 pennies. Export sales came out just moments ago. Old crop corn a little bit negative. New crop corn, though, it was friendly. They expected 500,000 tons to 800,000, came out at 1.1, just under 1.1 million metric tons. Beans, any export sales for old crop is friendly, 184,000 tons for old crop beans. New crop beans, though, coming in a little better than expectations. They were looking for 800,000 to 1.1 million metric tons, came out at 1.26. So still very good export sales there. But not enough to support the market here this morning yet. Wheat ended up coming in better than expected as well. Now, this has been a while since we've seen this, but 350,000 to 550,000 tons came in at 801. So we'll see if it's enough to support these markets as we get the day going. But as of right now, we're still currently on weather watch. What are we going to be looking at over the next couple weeks? Are we going to get these rains? These well-needed rains across the Corn Belt and in these areas that they're saying are pretty dry, and it looks like we will. The 6 to 10 day forecast still has the rain that they've put in here over the last few days, and that's being consistent again. The weather models are almost identical to what we had yesterday afternoon. So no major changes there. But they also put the 11 to 15 day forecast, had some increased rain events as well over that time period. So continue watching this weather. If we're going to get these rains, these markets are still going to be looking in trouble. Beans, we've got some support areas at 1065 and 1055. Watch those. For corn, we're right near the contract lows yet. But it just seems like we could continue to gravitate down to this 350 level yet, if we can't catch some kind of a bid in here. But watch the weather. Weather will be important, so guys will be watching that later on today. As far as livestock, cattle 17 cents higher. We continue to push higher. Box beef though very strong. Choice up 152. Select up 180. That puts Packer break-evens right now at 166.27. No bids or asks yet. Usually we see these bids and asks come in cattle early part of the week. Here we are on Thursday. Nothing yet. So continue watching for that. Guys are expecting to see steady, maybe even a little better as far as cash trade this week. With these box beef numbers screaming higher like they are, you almost have to expect that we could see a little bit of strength here out of the cash market yet. So keep an eye on that. Nothing here as of yet. Hogs down 30 cents. We continue to plunge. We continue to back off. As we're coming into the last day of the month, is this just fun selling and continuation of that? Can we see some new life tomorrow as we get into a new month? We'll have to see, but cutout values down 90 cents once again. There's really nothing right now for hogs that are saying that we can find some support yet. The charts look pretty bad, and with this continuation of fun selling, it's very hard to step in front of that freight train. So probably going to see some more downside once again today as far as hogs. Now, as far as stocks, we're down about 108 points right now. There's chatter out there that we've seen the Argentinian government default on their debt. So they missed an interest payment of about $13 billion. So this is the second time in 13 years that we've seen that. So it's drawing some concern across the global markets. What's going to happen today? Are we going to find some tightening of money? So maybe some guys coming off the table here as far as some of these equities. We've seen a very good run, but we've got a little setback right now. We'll see how the market handles that today. Gold is down 7 points. Silver is unchanged, but the dollar up about 13 points. That dollar is very strong and looks to continue its strength, especially with the uncertainty around some of these global markets. But stay in tune with us. Give us a call. We're here to help you out. You can reach us 800-262-7538 or check us out right on the web at Allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you again next week.